Welcome to Cookin Cosplay! Welcome to another cooking video. Today it is I, the incredible Doremi, who will teach you how to make my favorite dessert ever, the tourbillon cake. It looks intricate, but it really is super simple. It's a roll cake shell filled with delicious raspberry cream. I've been told I make a mess in the kitchen, but I'm sure there's a spell for that. Oh, I know. Aha! Transformation! Nice!
Let's gather the ingredients. For the roll cake you will need 4 large eggs with the yolks separated and the whites beaten fluffy, 125 grams of sugar, 125 grams of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, and some strawberry jam. And for the raspberry cream we will need 380 grams of frozen raspberries, 7 sheets of gelatin, 100 grams of sugar, 20 centiliters of whipped cream, and 250 grams of mascarpone.
Now let's bake the roll cake, but first preheat your oven at 180 degrees. Put the sugar into the egg yolks and mix well. Once the egg yolks have become a little bit white, it's time to add the flour. And the baking powder. Now we mix. Once mixed, it's time to incorporate the eggs. And when it's done, let's put all that in a baking sheet lined tray. Now let's pop that in the oven for 10 minutes. Once out of the oven and while it's still hot, roll your cake tightly so that when it cools down, it will keep its rolled shape. And leave it to cool. Once it has cooled down, unroll it with care. And spread the jam in it. Roll it again tightly. Whoop! And we'll put it in the fridge while we prepare the rest of the recipe.
Let's put the raspberries on the stove with the sugar. And then we will soak the gelatin in cold water. Once heated, use a soup blender to process the raspberries.
Oops.
Squeeze the gelatin off excess water and add it in. Mix well, and in a plastic-wrapped flat bowl, pour some raspberry sauce in. Keep that in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours. Add in the mascarpone, and leave it to cool down in the fridge for 30 minutes.
And you know the drill, you have to incorporate the whipped cream inside the raspberry cream without breaking any hair. And now it's ready to assemble.
To give the cake its round shape, cover a large bowl with plastic wrap. If needed, use water to help it cling to the bowl. Grab your roll cake and cut slices of 1 cm. Cover the walls of the bowl with cake and make sure they're fitted tightly together. Now's the time to remove the flat bowl from the freezer, and you should have a perfectly frozen raspberry disc.
And now we pour the cream in. And about halfway through, we're gonna insert the raspberry sauce Boop, 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 boop. And then fill it again. Right to the top. Ooh, ooh. Cover it with plastic wrap, and then we're gonna have to wait at least 6 hours in the freezer for it to set.
6 hours later.
Wow, ta-da! Isn't it the most perfect cake you've ever seen? It sure is for me! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please share and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more cooking cosplay. Bye bye!